All right, we're back out at the Intuit Dome, and the Intuit Dome itself looks pretty finished on the most part. So the Intuit Dome's looking pretty good. We're talking about probably a finish date around June, maybe late June of 2024. This Usher is gonna kind of have like a mini residency here at the Intuit Dome. I'll put some dates up for when he'll be here. Also, Billy Joel has been announced, and I think also Weezer. I saw Weezer back in the day opening up for No Doubt. So I've heard of 3 acts so far that'll be opening here before we get kicking with the 2024-2025 NBA season. Here in the corner of Prairie and Century Boulevard, you can see this structure is looking mostly complete on the exterior with the glass and the white exterior panels. I'm guessing this will be a team store, but just a wild stab I'm going with right now. But it's giving you a good idea what it's going to start looking like here. If we pan over here to the left, this is where inside of this structure there should be a jumbotron screen. There'll be games playing and stuff, and then below that there will be the basketball court, one of several public basketball courts here at Intuit Dome. And you can see this one Intuit Dome sign so far. We're still waiting to see a couple more exterior signs that'll go up. There's also a sign on the very top of the roof that passengers on airlines flying in to LAX will be able to see. So there is sort of like a little roof line here that connects over here from this Jumbotron area all the way across to this building here. And you can also see there's kind of an awning area, some shade area for the pedestrians that are coming and going, utilizing the pedestrian walkway that connects to this very large parking structure, which I think will have about 4,000 cars or so. As you make your way up the escalator, you can see they have these decorations, these hanging balls. They're kind of like a lighting fixture, kind of the stuff you see at IKEA. I don't know much about them. If anybody has any info, you can always comment down below. Help me out. You can still hear a lot of power tools being used, maybe from the inside, but the exterior is looking very good, considering it's opening later this year. Sure what kind of road work they're doing here on this corner, which will one day open back up for the walkway. See, as always, construction leaves with it a lot of traffic, so there's a couple lanes here on Prairie, or maybe a lane that's taken out, and I think a lane over here off the sidewalk area on Century Boulevard. It's like always something with traffic around here. They got a shift of workers that are, I guess, leaving, and they all get to park in the nice parking structure with shade, which will really come in handy in the summertime when it's a lot hotter. Great work, all. I'm still curious what they're gonna do in this slate, this gray slate area. Maybe they'll just have like banners up of flippers or whatever, or if they're gonna have some kind of electric system. But yeah, you can see all this traffic from some of the road work here going on, as always. All right, so this is new. We do have more signage up here on this upper level of the Intuit Dome, as well as all the different businesses that Intuit is involved with, like TurboTax. So that's pretty cool to see. And we've got a little bit of a detour here for pedestrians. I guess you can access the sidewalk now. It's in this roadway is a little jacked up. But checking the progress of the pedestrian bridge. Still kind of looks the same. Still waiting on another sign that'll be going up. You can see this perimeter wall is now encased in concrete, but there should be another signage deal perched up on top of that, I believe. So there will be a big jumbo monitor screen here sometime later this year. You're starting to see the VIP parking structure creeping up a little bit closer, inching up towards Prairie Avenue. You can see some of those balls again dangling over here off of Prairie, facing Prairie. And you can see another shot of that wall. If you are coming up here, if you're coming up here going north on Prairie, I'd suggest you make a right over here on 104th Street to get out of this mess, because it's like single lane traffic and it's brutal. It's brutal enough when there's all the lanes are open, but when you take one or two lanes away, it's tough. You can kind of see some of the Intuit Dome sign there. All these flatbed trucks that are just eating up so much car space. It's single lane. You gotta pack your patience if you're driving around this area.